Okay, good afternoon mga kasolar. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating isang site, ating client, 5 kilowatt, 5.4 kilowatt solar setup. Hybrid on-grid off-grid inverter with 200 AH battery storage. That's around 10 kilowatt hour, 200 times 51.2 volts. So, yun yung ating storage during night time and during brownout. So medyo mahaba-haba na yun. So yung ating setup is 6 pieces, 450 watts yung unang string, and the second string is 6 pieces also, 450 pieces, total of 12 pieces, 450 watts solar panels. That's around 5.4 kilowatt. So ayan. Okay. Ito na yung ating setup. Basically, yung unang installation namin is yung kabilang side is nandoon sa front side. So in the morning, yung 6 pieces yung nag-harvest. Then sa afternoon, ito namang 6 pieces. But basically, nagpagawa yung may-ari ng structure para gumanda yung harvest. So nilipat natin dito yung panels. Yung 6 nandito na. So 6 dito, 12 pieces magkasama na sila. And also nilinis na rin natin yung ating mga panels para magkaroon ng improvement yung kanyang harvest, dahil namuo yung dumi sa gilid. So ayan, inap lang natin yan, sabon. So ayan, malinis na ulit. So napakagandang tingnan, and also napakaganda na ng harvest nyan. Ayan. Yung price nito is way back 2 years ago, medyo mahal pa. So right now medyo competitive na yung ating pricing. Medyo bumaba na yung price ng ating mga solar materials. So paiba-iba talaga. So ang benefits ng solar, firstly, convenience. So during brownout, meron siyang battery storage, meron siyang power during brownout. So yan ang number 1 factor na consider, convenience. And number 2 is syempre yung monthly bill mo, hindi ka na nagwo-worry na every reading is mataas yung ating babayaran sa electric bills. But basically, investment tong solar. So, kailangan mo maglabas ng pera in the first place. Pero sulit naman. Ayan. So, na-harness natin yung galing sa araw, convert to energy. Okay. Okay. So, yung ating setup pala is hybrid on-grid off-grid, meaning is dual-sided yung ating inverter. During merong presence of utility, so on-grid yung gumagana. So on-grid meaning is no overloading. We will explain it to another video about on-grid, and also off-grid, by the word itself, off-grid. Meaning if no grid, so meron tayong power. Ang source natin is yung panel and then the battery. So yung ating battery storage magdidepend kung ilan yung na-store natin na pwede natin gamitin during brownout or without the presence of sunlight. So yan, hopefully may nakuha tayong tips or ideas about solar. So hopefully we do more videos about solar setup. So para ma-encourage yung karamihan sa atin na mag-shift na to renewable energy. Okay guys, thank you.